I welcome you everybody to the class of programming C. Today we'll discuss about global variable. So we have seen the local variable. For example, if we see void main int a equals to 10, suppose int a equals to 20, printf equals to a, then suppose we are calling another function, show function, and void show printf equals to a. So see here a is a local variable, and you know that the scope of the local variable is within the block or method or the constructor where it is declared. Now here it is inside the function. So inside this function the a variable is a local variable which is assigned with value 10. If it is not assigned, then it will take the garbage value. And here inside this block, this a again is a local variable which is having value 20. So when you print the value of a, so here the value of a which is local to this block will be printed. That means here the value will be 20. So outside of this block, when you again call this function show function, where inside show function you are printing a value, you see here you will get the error message, because here a is a local variable which can be accessed within the method, but outside of this method, if any method wants to access this local variable, so this is one error. You cannot do that. But that thing can be happened in case of global variable. For example, if we rewrite this program in this way, that suppose int a equals to 10, void main printf a equals to a, suppose int a equals to 20, printf a equals to a, we call the show function, then void show. Suppose we want to print this function, printf print this variable a. So see here in this program, so here a is declared outside of the main method. So this a is one global variable which is assigned with value 10. So what is the scope of the global variable? Scope of the global variable is entire program. That means whatever methods or constructor or blocks are present inside the program, they can access the global variable. So default value of you can write the scope of the global variable is entire program. And what is the default value? So here it is assigned with value 10, but if it is not assigned, then default value then its default value is the default value of the data type. Here it is not garbage. So as here it is one integer data type. So if it is not assigned with any value, it becomes 0. So see here inside this main function, when you access the value of a, it can access easily the global variable. It searches for any local variable. Is there any local variable inside main function which is of name a? No, there is no local variable inside main a. Named as a. So it accesses the global variable. So the global variable value is 10. So here it prints 10. So when you move inside this block, here there is a local variable. Here this a is a local variable which is same name as the global variable name, but here a is a local variable which is having value 20. So when you print the value of a, see here, so inside this block it always searches for a local variable of name a. If it is not find any local variable of name a, then it goes for global. But here the local variable a is there, so it value 20, so it prints 20 here. Got it? So when you come out of this block here, when you call this function, inside this function you are printing the value of a. So inside this function it searches for the local variable of name a, but there is no local variable, it goes to the global variable. So is there any global variable of name a? Yes, it is a global variable a of value 10. So here it prints 10. Alright. So if we slightly modify this function like this, suppose here here inside it, suppose I'll add a equals to a plus 20. Got it? And here I'll do a equals to a plus 5. So see here, so if you modify this thing, a equals to 10, so inside it a equals to a plus 20. Yes, it accesses the global variable, so global variable value becomes 10 plus 20 equals to 30, as there is no local variable. So now when you print the value will be what? The value will be 30. So inside this block, as local variable a is present, so here the same 20 will be printed. But outside of this block, as show function is called, so inside this show function, when you are printing the value of a and there is no local variable of name a, so it searches for the global variable. So is there any global variable of name a? Yes, there is a global variable a, but when it prints the global variable value, it prints again the modified value. Modified value is 30, because the global variable has been accessed by this main function, and the value has been changed to 30. So here it prints what? 30. Got it? And when again it is accessed inside the main function and value is increased to 5, so here a value again becomes what? 35. Got it? So these are the different cases of global variable and its scope, its default value, where to use, and how you can access inside the main and different other functions. Got it? Thank you. In next class we'll discuss about other concepts. Thank you.